Picture this, a room filled with you and the people you love the most, laughing at the funny movie playing on the television. Or, on the last day of school, you and your teacher on the verge of tears, laughing about the mischief you managed to make during the year. From up here, I can already see the smiles on everyone's faces. That smile is why I'm here today, to celebrate the magic of laughter. Humor and laughter has always been around. It all began a long, long time ago with a play called The Arcanians. 16 centuries later, it has evolved into the stand up comedy specials now we see on our Netflix screens. You might be asking yourself right about, now why did the need to laugh and to make others laugh survive this long? To that, I say is the basic human instinct. Our ancestors hunted and gathered to stay alive. We get dressed in the morning to work a 9 to 5. Life is now vastly different, but the art of laughter has always remained the same. I want you to consider for a moment the last time you laughed. It could have been before you stepped into the room or last week with your best friend. Either way, I want you to recall the circumstances you were facing at that particular moment. You will find that you weren't necessarily at peace. Maybe you had something weighing on your mind or a deadline you were racing to complete. But almost shockingly, you laughed. And as you laughed, you forgot, at least momentarily, whatever you were going through at that time. That is how humor impacts our life. We could be going through things that we'd rather not speak about, but a brief respite can do wonders. I often find that laughing with my friends leaves me more calmed, more collected, and more energized to deal with obstacles. Humor is a tree with many branches. Although it is yet to be studied intensely scientifically, its implications are many. Dunbar et al., a 2011 scientific study, showed that laughter can be directly associated with heightened pain thresholds. That means that when we laugh, our body releases endorphins or feel good chemicals that help us develop a higher pain tolerance. When I first read this, I was very taken back. Something so simple as laughter that I do every day thanks to my incredible friends and family can help build my pain tolerance level, increase blood flow, enhance blood vessel function. Yes, yes, and yes. We are wired to laugh because our body needs it to function properly. But humor impacts our life in more ways. I'd like to take you back to my first day at the school. Self admittedly, I was nervous and tense. I've been stressed out thinking of the endless possibilities. What if I did something to embarrass myself in front of everyone else? What if I wasn't able to make friends on the first day and then nobody ever became my friend? It's funny to think of it now, but that night before school, I got no sleep. I was scared and anxious at the thought of starting over. Nothing my mom and dad said to comfort me helped. I was truly a mess. Fast forward to the first day. After a bus ride where I somehow managed to get even more nervous, I finally arrived at school. My first memory on that particular day is walking into class and feeling 29 sets of eyes fixed on me. My hair was on the edge and my heart was about to fall off my chest. I found my way to an empty seat and sat down. Suddenly, the boy to my right asked me if I liked the cartoon character which is on the design of my school bag. I nodded yes, and he made a joke about an episode of that cartoon character. The room seems to stand still. My heart was beating very loudly. And just as fast as the room stood still, it melted into laughter. I was laughing. He and everyone around us who heard the joke was laughing. The nerves and the stress that was overwhelming me for the last 2 days gave away completely. As I almost cried laughing, I learned two things. One, that boy would definitely become my friend. And two, laughter is nothing short of a social glue. Whether it's in an office or at school or the playground, people form connections from laughter. And it's all people. Even babies, they can't talk or walk yet, but they become friends with other babies because both of them laugh at the same toys. Isn't it? Now, everybody in this audience has been in an awkward social situation that was diffused solely thanks to laughter. In the big wide world out there, where laughter has become so difficult, laughter is a blessing. It's universal. Everybody is different, come from different countries, and believe in different things. But at the end of the day, all of them speak the language of laughter. The beauty of laughter cannot be understated. As you go to bed tonight, I want you to recollect everything you saw and heard here today. Some things have made you laugh, while others may have really made you think. Both ways, I hope you'll be able to find the humor in it. Laughter is magical. And so, the last thing I want to share you all with is this: laugh. Laugh at the jokes your friends make and at the funny cat videos. Laugh at yourself when you manage to trip and fall on the air, and at the memes in your family group chat. Remember, when we laugh, we grow. And growth, just like laughter, is extraordinary. Thank you.